Hi friends, good morning. I would wish to bring some important information regarding a company called Bajaj Healthcare Limited. They've recently, in the last few days, got exclusive rights to manufacture, distribute, and sell um, ingredient or a medicine called Magnesium Threonate. This is registered as a brand by in the name of Megantin by Theoretic LLC. It's an overseas company. Bajaj Healthcare would be manufacturing this product and would be supplying this ingredient or medicine across the Indian markets. So, a brief idea about what Bajaj Healthcare does. It also has an exclusive uh, manufacturing and distribution process for opium for the government of India. Apart from this, Bajaj Healthcare Limited deals in anti-malarial tablets, pain relief tablets, antispasmodic tablets, steroid tablets, cardiovascular tablets, antifungal, anti-epileptic tablets, and a few more other products. So we'll take you through some more information on what exactly is this product about. Magnesium threonate is in demand. It's a nutraceutical product which helps improve cognitive health. It supports brain health, learning, improving memory, and overall cognitive performance. Basically, learning capabilities. It has a less laxative effect than the other forms of magnesium. So it helps in improving the overall mental health of a person, becoming more active and making a person prone to learn things easily. So we'll go through some more information on Bajaj Healthcare. So we'll start off with some information regarding the stock and how this particular stock is doing. So here, Bajaj Healthcare. This is the symbol that you can locate or track the company with. This is another logo, a few more uh, photographs or screenshots that you can see, which shows the various you can say exhibitions held by the company at various different platforms. This is also one of the recent news setting up and development and supply agreement with a European company. This is for trial of a new medication. Uh, this is the logo. It was incorporated in 1993. So the current price is 673. As soon as the news of this exclusive agreement with the company, the stock has rallied 20%. That is on the 17th of Jan. This news, I think, was informed to the exchanges on the 16th of January. So, moving on, it was set up in 1993, manufactures a wide range of pharmaceutical ingredients and formulations. Current market price 668, higher of 674, then a stock PE of 61. This stock PE is the highest in the industry, and because the company doesn't seem to be highly profitable. That is the reason the uh, product earnings per share is pretty high. So the return on equity is 8%, which is one of the lowest in the industry. We'll just quickly go through that in a minute. This is the price chart graph since January 2017, where the stock was trading at around 40 odd rupees, 40, between 40 and 50 range. Today you can see the price is almost 670, so it's almost 16.5 times of value addition in the last 8 years. So moving on, uh, stock is trading at 4.75 times its book value. So ideally, the book value is about 140 rupees. We have a book value. I see book value is 141. Yeah, promoter holding has reduced. Company has delivered a poor sales growth of 5% in the last 5 years. It has been in the negative trend in the last 2 years. It had a peak of it hit a peak in 2021, and since then sales have dropped here. So going by here, you see PE of Sun Pharma, Cipla, Dr. Reddy's is in the range of 20, 25. Zudus Life Science 23, Lupin 36, Arvindo Pharma 19, Bajaj Healthcare, you can see here is the highest here. We look at the return on equity. The best return on equity is from Dr. Reddy's Labs, then Mankind Pharma 24, Zudus Life Science 22. These are the other options that you can look at, Cipla 22. So these are the four other companies that you can compare and see which of these companies are doing well, and make your decisions accordingly. If you have any shareholding in Bajaj Healthcare, you can look at comparing them with these companies and seeing if you have a better value in the other four companies here. So moving on, we'll go on to the quarterly uh, performance of the last 3 quarters. You can see operating profit has improved. Net profit was at a loss of 30 crores in the quarter ending March 2024. However, since then the company has recovered. It has clocked operating or net profit of 9 crores. Moving on, this is the last 7 year data. We see the net profit is 15 crores in March 2018, 2019, 16, 20, 20, 25. Then it has the best operating or net profit in the year ending 2021. That was March. That was the time when we were in the pandemic times. So you can see the company has done very well during the pandemic time. Then since then you can see the net profit has been steadily reducing, and in March the company's made a huge loss of 84 crores. So here we'll have to dig deeper into what has gone wrong in the year 2024-25, which ended, or rather, you can say the year 2023-24, which ended in March 2024. You can see that there is a huge loss. We have to dig deeper and understand the reasons of why there was a loss. Sales reduced, that is one, and which is why uh, we had a lot of expenses, fixed expenses, which led to the loss. So we'll have to look at why sales have dropped, what is the sales component of the company, why it has not done well. Moving on, last 3 years you can see there's a minus growth trend, which relates to the results that were declared in March 2024. You can see there is a drop in sales, which is why you see there's a negative mark here. Stock price has done or has improved 100%. So the stock price was 348 uh, exactly about a year ago in January 2024, or sometime at the end of December 2023. So return on equity has not been great. So we'll have to look at the sales component here to get a better idea of why what what went wrong, what the company has done to fix or correct it. So moving on, uh, here the reserves figure you can see March 2018 they had a reserve 107 crores, which has improved to 430 crores, which is a good positive sign. And you can see the borrowings have also gone up. However, if the company is consistently doing well with profit, there is less likelihood that they would eat into their reserves. The reserves could have been better uh, after the loss that was there for the last financial year. You can see the reserve dipped from 354 crores to 265 crores, which means the loss ate up into the company's reserves. And you can see again within 6 months it has shown a great improvement, which means the company has corrected the problems and has become profitable again. So we can look at the profitability on the quarter wise here. This is the yearly quarter. Yeah, see, the operating profit you can see has improved here. It's done up to 24 crores per quarter, which shows a significant improvement here. So this is the reason why the reserves have gone up to 430 crores. Moving on to the ratios, you can see the debtor days has increased from 55 in March 2021 to 139 days in March 2024, which is something that the company will need to work on. Inventory has drastically increased as well, which means more money is being tied up into inventory. Possibly the company is producing goods in advance to meet demand that occurs during a particular season. So that could be one of the reasons why the inventory has gone up. It could be due to a lot of products that were manufactured during the COVID time, which could have led to an increase in the inventory of various different products. So days payable again, you can see it has increased, which means the company is having higher inventory, which is why it's struggling to make its payments on time. This is something again would have to be done with a better inventory management, and this is something that we could look into the unaudited or audited quarterly results that the company would declare this month and next month, and which would give us the future idea of how the company is done. It seems that the profitability has improved, which would indicate that inventory management and sales would be better this year compared to what happened last year. So we can consider 2024 result, I mean the year ended March 2024, to be a bad one, which impacted and affected the inventory, how the customers paid the company, how the company paid its creditors or the people where it owes money to. So working capital has also increased due to the high inventory that we can see here. So the return on capital employed was very good in March 2021 during the pandemic year, and thereon the returns have gradually decreased. The company would need to focus on making better plans on how effective it can do with its capital and how it can manage its inventory better. So, with this new product being introduced by the company and having the exclusive rights here, there is a good chance of a possibility that the company would increase its sales and the profitability and the return on capital employed would also improve. One thing that I would like to inform you all, since the stock has rallied uh, almost doubled in the last 1 year, there would be chances that the company, there would be people in the market that would try to capitalize on the value add that they've made in the last 1 year. They would try to gain some uh, profit out of whatever holdings that they have. So there is a chance of a correction. It would be a great time to invest if there is an opportunity available when people are looking to cash in. So overall, you can see here in the last 6 months, the promoter holding has reduced. The company's promoters have sold about 8% stake in the company. The stake of DIIs, that is the institutional investors and foreign investors, is very small, and there has been a big chunk that is occupied by the public. So there would definitely be a correction. Look out if you're a long-term investor and looking to add value. Look to compare the other four market players and what they hold in their portfolio, and then accordingly decide whether you stay invested in the business. So, thank you for watching the video. Thank you for uh, sharing this with your relatives, friends, family, and business associates, if any. So, if you'd like to share any sort of feedback on how to improve the content and the videos that I publish, so please leave a comment and let me know. I'll definitely try my best to make those necessary changes. Thank you. Thank you for watching once again.